Hey guys, this is Shweta from our article. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna share transforming my phone cover part 2. Before I had just transformed my cover about 2 to 3 months before, and I'm really bored with this cover. So I'm gonna upload the entire process how I made my cover. So yeah, let's move into it. And the color that you all can see on the cover is white. Yeah, you know that it's white. Still I'm telling you, I don't know why. So I'm gonna keep the base color white on this old transformed color, just cause I am running out of my nail polish remover, so I can't do anything with that. Okay, so I'm gonna mix the white first, then you watch it. I'm not gonna tell everything.